Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently release it through your mouth. Again, breathing in and out. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. Let your body settle into stillness. You don't need to do anything. Your nervous system already knows how to relax. As your breathing finds its natural rhythm, imagine your mind becoming clear and organized, like a quiet room where everything is exactly where it belongs. Each breath creates more space. Each exhale releases excess effort. You are alert, calm, and deeply receptive. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now. Not a fantasy version, a realistic, grounded version who has made consistent, aligned decisions. Notice how this version of you stands. Notice how they breathe. Notice the calm confidence in their presence. Your brain recognizes this image as attainable. As you observe this future version of yourself, your subconscious begins to mirror them. You start thinking the way they think. Responding the way they respond. Choosing the way they choose. This version of you moves through life with clarity. They trust their timing. They act without hesitation. Your brain is rehearsing this identity now, and what the brain rehearses it begins to expect. With every breath, this identity becomes familiar. Normal. Automatic. You don't need motivation. Your nervous system prefers this state. Calm focus. Clear decisions. Quiet confidence. This is not effort. This is alignment. Take one deeper breath now and gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers slightly. Feel the surface beneath you. Know this. Every time you return to this state, your brain strengthens this pathway. You are already becoming this version of yourself.